Alright, now here's a plane that is flying just a little bit lower than the last planes that flew by. It's definitely some sort of a commercial airliner. And it's not leaving any kind of contrail or chemtrail. It's also lower. Here's another one. There's another flight, and that looks like it's ascending, not leaving any type of trail. This is what the sky looks like 5 minutes after the previous video. As you can see, there's another plane that's flying by that's not leaving any type of contrail or chemtrail. And that plane is ascending as well. So the chemical trail that they just left is still, as you can see, it's dropping. And it's getting bigger. And it's not normal. And when I was a child growing up, I don't remember them doing this. Because they didn't. The planes would leave a normal contrail, and sometimes, not even all the time, and that was the big mystery. Why is that plane leaving a little contrail and that one isn't? And I assume it had something to do with altitude, and that was 20 years ago. Skies have changed a lot in 20 years.